receive this in the mail. How do you fold it? Well, I'm going to show you. Here we go. Open it up like so. Fold it in half. Bring it over here. Fold in this corner first so the pink lines up. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's okay. Flip and fold. Flip and fold. Flip and fold. Just like an accordion. Flip and fold. Flip and fold. Flip and fold. And last time, flip and fold. All right. So now we've made all of our creases. So you're going to want to open it up. So Gambarina is on the top, one of our headlining educators for this year. Turn the piece upward. This piece right here in the middle is where you're going to pinch it. Pinch it and fold it over. This piece on this side, you're going to do the same thing, except going to fold it the opposite direction. So it's like that. Alright, and then you put them together and you flatten it like that. And then you're going to take this piece right here is going to get folded like so. And flip. So John Coy's is on the top. He's also one of our headlining educators. Tilt it up. Open it up. Take this piece right here and tuck it in. Like so. Don't fold it all the way down, just tuck it in that much. And then you're going to push this so that this orange lines up with koi, like that. You're going to push that down. The register by December 8th. Push that down so that it's flat. It looks like this. Alright. And then you're going to take that little corner, fold that corner in. Take this piece, fold that down, that's just to make the creases, and tuck it in right underneath koi. And you have your shape. Add a little bit of tape here. I'll just go ahead and take my tape from right there. Stick it in there. And you have your shape.
I'm a member of this academy because I want to be around the best and learn how to be better and always learning and learning the latest things in dentistry.
During my first year of graduating, dental school, I actually went to my first AACD meeting, and I saw all these awesome dentists doing awesome things that I knew that I wanted to be a part of.
I thought I did really great cosmetic dentistry until I came to my first AACD meeting, and I was just blown away by the type of treatment that everyone was doing. So, you know, since then I've been hooked.
The AACD convention is the mother of all conventions. I mean, you can't beat it.